Today we are going to study Virgin Group case study. So these are the number of companies under umbrella brand Virgin, and as per the my knowledge, Virgin Group has 400 different companies, and it is a more than $24 billion empire or conglomerate or group of companies. So you can see top 12 Virgin companies are Virgin Media, Virgin Australia, Virgin Atlantic, Virgin Holidays, Virgin Mobile USA, Virgin Train, Virgin America, Virgin Active, Virgin Mobile France, Virgin Mobile Canada, Virgin Mobile Australia, Virgin Money UK, and so on. Virgin Group. Virgin rode onto the British stage in the 1970s with the innovative Virgin Records. Records means you have CDs, DVDs, cassettes that you record. It is related to entertainment industry, music industry, that you record songs, you record speeches, and they were into that business. So Virgin rode onto the British stage in the 1970s with the innovative Virgin Records. The brainchild of the entrepreneur Richard Branson. So founder was Richard Branson, and he started this Virgin Record in 1970. A high school dropout who signed unknown artists and began a marathon of publicity that continues of this day. So initially he started small. He started as a he knew he he grouped some artists who were unknown, who were not popular, and he started preparing records like songs and music uh, with the help of these artists, and he started a small business, small company. Flamboyant Brit- uh, Britain, Flamboyant Britain sold Virgin Records in 1992 and has gone on to launch more than 400 companies worldwide whose combined revenues exceed 24 billion in 2012. So as I said, he started 400 companies. Some of them they sustained, some of them they closed, and he started with the small record company. You can see the shop also where he was selling Virgin Records in the slide, and later on it becomes a very big group of companies. It is 400 group of companies, and 24 billion he uh, has had the revenue at that point of time. Virgin named the third most respected brand in Britain, and the Branson's personality helped sell the company's diverse portfolio of branded air travel, railroad, financial services, music, mobile phones, cars, wine, publishing, and medical devices. So Virgin name became the third most respectable company in the Britain as per the survey, as per the customers liking. And Branson's personality helped this company grow because he was launching the company in a very unique manner, and it used to get a lot of attraction. It used to get a lot of publicity, and people used to use those services. People could not able to forget Virgin. So you can go on the uh, Google or go in the uh, YouTube how he was launching the companies that you can study. So Branson personality helped sell the company's diverse portfolio, and they diversified. Virgin diversified into air travel, railroad, financial services, music, mobile phones, cars, wine, publishing, and medical devices. The Virgin Group looks for a new opportunity in markets with underserved, overcharged customers and complacent competition. So Virgin Group was studying why they launched 400 companies, because they had a very good research and development department. They used to do research which areas, which categories, which segment, which industries are underserved, not properly served, and people are charging more price than the value, and where customers are fed up with the already existing players. So there they used to launch their services or the products. Branson explained, wherever we find them, there is a clear opportunity area for the Virgin to do a much better job than the competition. We introduce trust, innovation, customer friendliness, and where they don't exist. So they were initially finding the areas, segment categories, fields where they have the scope to launch the company, and there they used to do lot of innovation. They used to build lot of trust with the customer. They used to become they provided customer friendliness and satisfied the customers. Some marketing and financial critics have pointed out that Branson dilutes the brand and covers too many businesses. So when you diversified much more, like 400 companies, your original brand uh, is not uh, popular, or people do not able to understand what it stands for. So same happened with the Virgin. People started feeling that the brand has been diluted. There have been some fumbles. Virgin Cola, Virgin Cosmetics, Virgin Vodka, Virgin Brides have all but disappeared. So some of the services failed. Some of the services or the products or the companies, they did good job or good business. But despite the diversity, all Virgin Group's brands stand for quality, innovation, and fun. So it's not like a casual company. It was properly uh, well thought out company, well it's a serious company in the field of uh, services they are into, and it is most customer centric company. Branson is the master of the strategic publicity stunt and knows photographers will turn up if he gives them a good reason. So Branson, he used to launch the product in a such a way that at photographers, videographers, they automatically give publicity to these photographs or these events at the time of launching of services. When he took on dodgy British Airways in 1984, he wore World War One era flying gear to announce the formation of Virgin Atlantic. So he used to do a lot of crazy things like a mad person. He used to wear astronaut dress. He used to wear like anything which seems to be very funny or very stupid, and it attracts the attention of the people, and that's how they start making uh, discussing those things, or start uh, passing comments, or have a word of mouth with their colleagues, like that. He was using this this human tendency of discussing crazy things with their friends, and that he used as an advertising tool for himself. The first Virgin flight took off laden with the celebrities, media, brass band in full swing, waiters from the magazines dressed in white tie and tails, uh, and free flowing champagne. So when he launched at Atlantic, he uh, he was carrying a lot of celebrities, media, brass band, and a lot of people along with him. The airborne party enjoyed international press coverage and millions of dollars worth of free publicity. So these events will save your advertising expenditure. When Branson launched Virgin Cola in the United States in 1998, he steered an army tank down New York's Fifth Avenue and blew up a Coca-Cola sign, garnering interviews on network TV news shows the next morning. So it was unique way of getting publicity, getting word of mouth. It may be good, it may be bad, but people started talking about it in the media, in the household. In 2002, he plunged into Times Square from crane to announce his new mobile business. So he came to the place of launching the mobile by crane in Times Square, and again he was dressed like a mad person, and everybody started watching that. Everybody starting taking photographs. Everybody started preparing videos and passing on to their friends. So it got free publicity to that event. In 2004, he appeared at a New York City nightclub wearing flesh-colored tights and a strategically placed portable CD player to introduce a line of hip techy gadgets called Pulse. So Virgin Pulse was the I think is a device which can monitor your health conditions. So in 2004, he appeared at a New York City nightclub wearing flesh-colored tights and strategically placed portable CD player to introduce line of hip techy gadgets, Virgin Pulse. Branson has attended a press conference dressed in an astronaut suit and angel's wings, uh, driven across the English Channel in an amphibious car, and even bared his bottom to the press when Virgin Atlantic landed in Canada for the first time. So he was wearing astronaut. He was wearing a dress with the wings. So looking like an angel. So it's not like a normal person. He's introducing his products and services. He's launching his products and services to the world. He's doing some crazy activities, and people used to enjoy. People used to like. People used to, in developed countries it seems to be funny, but in India people may think that he has gone mad or he is insane. So Branson has attended press conferences dressed in an astronaut suit and angel's wings, driven across the English Channel in an amphibious car, and even bared his bottom to the press when Virgin Atlantic landed in Canada for the first time. His natured humor and flamboyant personality attract media attention and customer admiration around the globe. Reports say Virgin Press coverage equates 1.6 billion in media value per year. So their press conferences worth get the publicity worth 1.6 billion per year. So uh, that was the value, that was the idea behind doing all these activities. And the person who that founder Branson is good nature. He has a humor and flamboyant, attractive personality. Although Branson avoids traditional market research, he stays in touch through the constant customer contact. So he was contacting customer. He was not keeping blind eye towards the customer, and he was doing equally. He has a faith in market research also, traditional ways of doing market research. When the although Branson avoids traditional market research, Branson was not liking the traditional research. He was keeping in touch with the customers. He was getting information from the customer rather than doing traditional type of research. When he first set up the Virgin Atlantic, he called 50 customers every month to chat and get their feedback. So he was personally meeting 50 customers every month and understand what they are liking, and where is the scope for the improvement. He appeared in airports to rub elbows with the customers, and if a plane was delayed, he handed out gift certificates to Virgin Mega Store or discount on the future travel. So sometimes it may happen that because of some or the other reason, people flight is delayed. That's when he used to offer some discount, some coupons, and he also offers uh, discount in the for the future travel. So customer used to uh, become happy because they got the discount on the future travel also, some gifts and certificates, some coupons, and people used to forget what has happened with them, and people used to feel delighted because their problem has been addressed and they have been compensated well, and it is in a very good nature. It is in very good environment. What uh, they have been treated nicely in a very good environment. Virgin Unite is a non-profit organization, NGO, that tackles global social and environmental problems with the entrepreneurial approach. So they are also doing some NGO activities for globally, for social charity and environmental conservation. They were solving the problems from the environment in the society and some of the global problems. Team of the scientists, entrepreneurs, and environmental enthusiasts work with the Virgin to reinvent the way we live and work to help make people's life better. A team of scientists, entrepreneurs, and environmental enthusiasts work with the Virgin to reinvent the way we live and work to help make people's lives better. So, uh, Virgin used to invite scientists, entrepreneurs, environmental enthusiasts, so that togetherly they can work and solve some of the social problems, environmental problems, and people's problems. Virgin Green Fund is private equity firm investing in renewable energy and resource efficiency sector. So they are also equally aware of use of renewable energy. They knew that the non-renewable energy is making a lot of pollution. So they were also working in a renewable energy. Virgin established the Earth Challenge in 2007 to award 25 million to any person or a group who develops a safe, long-term, commercially viable way to remove greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Submissions are being reviewed by a team of scientists, professors, and environmental professionals. So he has kept a challenge of $25 million if anybody gives idea to remove the greenhouse gases, so that the impact of the greenhouse gases can be reduced. Now, knighted by the Queen of the England, Sir Richard never does anything small and quiet. So knighted means knighted is the award or reward or recognition or any 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 word for of the appreciation, like we give sir, we give madam, we give like Bharat Ratna, or any award like Mahatma, Lokmanya, like that kind of award was given by the Queen of England. And Queen of England is very powerful person in the Europe. And it was given, that knighted award was given to the Sir Richard. And it is given to a people who has significant contribution in business and in social work. He once said, lavish praise on people and people will flourish, criticize and they shrivel up. I don't know exactly what does that mean, lavish praise on people and people will flourish, criticize they shrivel up. Acha, like, understood. What he means, that if you appreciate people, people will work with 100%, and if you criticize people, people will work with 10 or 20% of efficiency. That means you have to appreciate people to get more work done from the people in good environment. And if you criticize people, he will feel inferior and he will not do even what he is capable of. This philosophy has led him to many successes both in business and life. So he was utilizing these principles in his business, and that's why employees were very happy with the uh, this person, Branson. Whether looking for a new business, generating publicity in his characteristic style, and encouraging research to help the planet, Branson does it with a bang. Now there are some question: how is the Virgin unique in its quest to be a socially responsible and sustainable company? So Virgin Unit Unite was NGO, and that NGO was working in a global social and environmental problems to solve. And it has also got entrepreneur approach. Virgin is also working with the scientists, entrepreneurs, and environment enthusiasts, so that they can solve some of the society's problem. Then they are also donating. They are also making charity. Virgin has raised Virgin Green Fund. It is private equity firm investing in renewable energy. So they are also working in a renewable energy, so that there is less pollution happen in the world. Virgin has established, they have kept one challenge also. If anybody can come up and provide some good idea to remove the gases, then he will get 25 million US dollar. So that's how they were working in a socially responsible way. So they are working in a renewable energy. They are uh, they are donating. They are working with the scientists, engineers, and people in environmental enthusiasts to reduce the pollution. uh, then they are also uh, has kept a challenge. Anybody can give them idea to remove the greenhouse gases, then they will award with a 27 million US dollar. So all these things indicate that they are very socially responsible company. Also, we have to consider that the Queen Elizabeth, or Queen of the England, she has appreciated and given some reward recognition to this person. So that also shows that he has significantly contributed towards the society. Also, uh, that Branson, he is polite enough to say that we have to encourage employee and not to discourage. We have to motivate the employees and not to uh, demotivate. And Branson always believed in giving back to the society, and he also believed in good environment creation for the workplace. Discuss the contradiction between Virgin's negative environmental impact via air and rail and the green message and communication efforts behind the endeavors such as Earth Challenge. So, on one front, uh, Virgin is entering into more than 400 business. The most important of them is air travel and rail travel. Because of that, environment gets polluted or environment gets damaged. And on the other hand, Virgin is saying that we want to remove greenhouse gases. So, do you think that this is diplomatic? I don't think so, because uh, when these organizations flourish and grows, you get, most important is, you get good services. Customers lives become more tolerable, more easy, more uh, enjoyable, and the people can get jobs due to the businesses like Virgin. And Virgin, as they grow, they are giving back to the society. They are working on the greenhouse gases, they are working with the scientists, engineers, and environmental enthusiasts to environmental enthusiasts in social work, in community work, and environmental conservation. So in many ways, Virgin company or the Branson is giving back to the society. So this is all about the Virgin company. Thank you so much for watching this.